Greetings everyone. Thank you for joining me. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be discussing what I like to refer to as pecuniary astrology. What is pecuniary astrology? Well, you know there's many types of astrology. Tibetan, Southern African, Indigenous American, Indigenous Australian, the Mayans, Olmecs, same people. Moorish sciences, Western and Vedic astrology. There are many types of astrology. I like to use the term pecuniary astrology because it means a bit more than just money. Pecuniary is defined as relating to money or dealing with money or of money. But in law, money has many different meanings. Money has many meanings in law. You can find one meaning in USC 1813L. All right, that's one meaning where money can be referred to as many different things, having an equivalent to money, including promissory notes. Pecuniary can also refer to your interest in installment agreements, like car loans, bank loans, credit card debt, credit card receivables, your mortgage. You have a pecuniary interest in your mortgage, even though you might not think you do, but you have a pecuniary interest once you sign the promissory note attached to that mortgage. Promissory notes are converted into securities. So you also have a pecuniary interest in that security, always. Regardless of whether or not you knew it or not, regardless of whether or not you signed away pecuniary interest in those notes, it still exists. Pecuniary for me means a lot more than just money. Many of you know about financial astrology and investment astrology, which focuses mainly on the transits of planets, the 7 indestructibles, the 7 luminaries. And I look at the science that supports and is the foundation to financial astrology, investment astrology. It's the law that is backing it. Now, the reason people use astrology in finance, trading, investing, is because they're trying to increase the likelihood that things go their way with that investment. And astrology definitely does that. But what I feel is that when you are in sync, when you are in line with the principles and laws that are supporting financial astrology, investment astrology, your advantage is increased even that much more. I define pecuniary astrology as those enlightened thoughts and awakened consciousness that produces the results that you want. All right, so the universal law, the cosmic law, the Heka that I talk about in my cosmic law video, mental disciplines and focus, all of those things fall under the category of pecuniary to me because they lead to a greater likelihood that when you're investing, things go your way. Does it require more study to become in sync with these laws? Absolutely. Just like it took a lot of time for you to master your trading, if you're doing trading, whether you're day trading or swing trading, it doesn't matter how you use it. The laws apply. There's nothing under the sun that does not apply to the law. And it will take some time to master these things, but is it worth it? That's up to you. People spend a lot of time learning how to trade and invest because they knew it was going to lead to greater success, greater chance of profitability. That's the same reason why I study and practice and teach what I refer to as pecuniary astrology. Financial astrology is mainly based on the transits, like I mentioned, planetary movements into different constellations within the ecliptic. It focuses on cycles. It just focuses on the cycles. And there's a lot of different types of cycles that you use when you are practicing financial astrology, because the data shows, and there's a lot of data that supports financial astrology without the cosmic law and the natural law foundation being studied or even being applicable to it. Even though it is, people are successful without knowing those laws, without studying the foundation and what's supporting it. I'm just saying, when you add the foundation to it, you have a lot more control, not just within the aspects of financial astrology that bring you more funds. It also gives you more control of other aspects of your life that are just as valuable as money, your health, your mental clarity, just manifesting your destiny. When you're learning the spiritual foundation of financial astrology, you're also learning how to improve your life in all forms, not just in terms of money, because we still need our health, we still need love, we still need to be happy. So, if anybody's interested in that kind of thing, I'm going to be doing more videos on it. But I'm not going to go too deep in this medium, because there's certain things, there's certain knowledge and certain wisdom that is just not meant to be promoted to the public. There's some things that need to be kept hidden. There's some things that, as an initiate, you have to reach certain levels before you're able to be invited into the temple. So I say that to say I'm going to be reserving certain information to my Substack. I will make it available. This information will be made available to anybody who wants to partake. I hope you all having a good day. And until next time, peace and love.